I wasn't expecting to film at this Walmart, but I found this gorgeous $5 orchid and they had so many pretty pots, so I wanted to show you guys what they got going on in case you weren't aware. I stopped shopping at Walmart, so I was really surprised when I saw all of this cool plant stuff. And since I wasn't expecting to film, I ended up recording on my phone, so there might be some like weird audio or footage things going on, but I hope you can enjoy the video regardless. And if you do end up going to Walmart to check it out or buy something, let me know, because I did get a few goodies myself, but not as many as I wanted to get. These pots are so pretty. They're 23 and they have a drainage hole. For this size, that is such a good price. And there's some of these with the stand. These are more expensive. I don't really like this fake basket, but oh, that's disturbing. These over here are so pretty. I love these. They have drainage holes. And there's this, and I like these stands much more than other ones I've seen because they don't look as cheap. And there's baskets. Wait, I didn't feel if these are real basket or... Yeah, these are real basket. These have the liners in them, which is really good, that if you put, like, use this as a cash po, well, I guess you wouldn't plant a plant in a basket, but when you water it, you just literally have to water the plant directly in here. You don't need to take it out or anything. So that's really useful. I'm just so shocked. I literally wasn't planning on filming in here. There's these. I bought a big version of this at like Ross, I believe it was. And I think this is a hanging planter for $16. It has a drainage hole. I've noticed a lot of pots and stuff have more drainage holes. Oh, I think the one I have is like this. This seems like around the same price that I got it as at Ross too. This one, okay. I feel like someone stashed these in here and I'm about to go through their stash. Hold on, let me move it. Okay. Look at that, it has little wicks on it. This was definitely there, but I didn't pick it up because I felt it was too expensive. I might buy this too. There's a baby, poor little baby crying. This is also really pretty. Oh my gosh. And there's those, I don't know if they're supposed to be bought in a whole entire pack. I feel like not, but if you want a lot, it's very handy to buy it like that. I like this saucer. It's really pretty. Hanging plant table for $15. Macrame hanger, $8. This one's cool. Oh, and this is really handy right here. This is something I need because I've been using a literal, like, I don't know, like a curtain hanger. This is like not really that pretty to have inside your home, but that's okay. There's stands everywhere. I like this basket a lot. This planter is so nice. I wonder if it comes with the legs. Maybe just this one doesn't have them. Oh, they're in here. So it does come with legs. That's so cute. This one is $30, which I think is a pretty good price compared to like how much everything like it would cost somewhere else, I guess. There's this. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, they're just stands. Wow, Walmart is really coming through. Well, I guess it's Better Homes and Gardens coming through. I was so not expecting this. Oh, here's that little hanging pot we saw earlier. That's so cute. That is really cute. It's kind of short though. The little hanger. And there's these. These are really handy for like if you have a wall. So you just hang it on your wall and then you can put a plant inside. I have something similar. And these, I guess now I know where my mom got it from. I have one of these. It's not my favorite thing, but it does work. Not sure how much it is. Oh, I think it's $6.97. And these, I think you're supposed to attach these to a wall and then just hang your plant in it. And these marble ones are $12.97. Maybe they're 12, but they're around $12. Oh, there's also stands. So if you have your own pot, that's so cool. I wonder how much they are, but I see more. Okay, they're here. They are $13. That is so cheap compared to what you will usually find. That's really cool. And some water bottles and stuff. Let's see. I think that's it for the cool stuff. I'm definitely gonna be making some purchases today. Look, they got a mushroom grow kit. Here's some like scissors. I think I would like these because they're so small, but I don't really know like how well they work because sometimes well, usually I get them out like raw, so I guess that tells you all you need to know. And they break right away, so I don't know how good these would be. Even when I see their fiskars, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna try those. So if you have these, let me know how they work. They come with a sheath and everything. This is like really, it looks like it'd be really good for like small things to cut. I was gonna get one of these, but it doesn't really, oh, well, it closed now. Maybe I will get one. This one looks like it has shattered glass inside. I looked up the IKEA one. It's $19, so this is like $5 more, but it's literally already here. I feel like this one has shattered glass too. It's from the inside panels. Like, let me show you. It's from the edges of the inside glass panels. It's like chipping. I don't know if I should get this. I think I'm gonna pass on this and just focus on the pots, I guess. I was also thinking of getting this right here, this white stone for my, like as a top dressing for succulents. There's also sand. It's pretty sand, but I don't think I need the stones right now, so I'll just leave it. I'm storing like way too many things. So I guess just the pots today. I think I'm gonna go back outside to show you guys the orchids because $5 for an orchid, that's great. They're like not even dead blooms. This one still needed to bloom more. I feel like this Walmart is just over plants. Their plant section looks awful, but their pot section looks great, which is good for me. It was extremely windy outside, but as you can see, they had all of these $5 plants. Specifically, what stood out to me were these Mandula pothos. This is the second time I've seen them, and I've only seen them at Walmart, so that's a little funny. Walmart is hiding them. And I also like these Marantas. Here are the orchids. They're all $5, and I feel like I should probably get more than what I just got. But there's like these dark pink. There's also the light pink, which is the one I got. There's white. And they're only $5. That's crazy. So for the whites, there's also different kinds. There's like pure white, or like a little bit of yellow in there. Oh, I feel like I should get. Oh my god, how did I miss this? $5? Are you kidding me? Bruh, I'm so getting this. How could I miss that? I'm so glad I came back to film. That is so cool. What? This is amazing. Okay, and there's these are all on clearance. There's mosaicas for 10, well, it's still kind of a lot. Watermelon pep is 6. There's Rosio pictas. So many watermelon peps. And some, what are these guys? Orbifolias. I wonder how much these are. $10.48. And then just your regular cactus. They're not on sale or anything. But dang, dude. That's crazy. Sorry for the lighting and whatnot, but I do want to show you the purchases, which I'm so extremely excited about. So I was planning on getting a ton of pots because they were really cute pots, but as per usual, I talked myself out of it. So I only got this one. It's a little stand. I need to set it up. But what I'm even more excited about, well, first of all, a $5 mini phal. Are you kidding me? Let me take it out. Here she is. Look how gorgeous. No scent to the flowers, but it hasn't even fully bloomed yet, and they put it on clearance. So I noticed though that these are just add ice orchids, which if you're not aware, do not feed your orchids with ice. I feel like if someone is just shopping for orchids and they don't know any better, they read just add ice and they're like, oh my god, it's so easy. And also, I'm pretty sure, like, it was probably like 4 years ago, maybe, I saw a bunch of like plant hacks where even feeding just regular plants with ice cubes was like a thing. I don't know. The roots look pretty healthy. It just looks very thirsty, so I'm gonna water it. And then this baby. Ah! I can't believe I almost missed this. So here, also for the low cost of $5, I have a variegated orchid. I bought an orchid, like a full-on orchid. I think it is a mini phal though, because these flowers are so small. So I did buy a full-sized Phalaenopsis orchid. It honestly might end up being a mini phal, but it was probably, I'm guessing, like $35 from an orchid supplier. So this, I saw it and I was like, I am buying it. Look at these cute little flowers. I feel like you wouldn't expect these flowers from this plant. At least I wouldn't. I feel like they look so, I don't know, just not like they belong together. But the one I did buy, it still hasn't bloomed yet. It's in spike right now, so it's gonna bloom soon, but it still hasn't bloomed, so I have no idea what the flowers look like. And it has really healthy roots too that just need to be watered. So I don't know. I feel like that Walmart is just done with having plants. I kind of stopped going there because I don't like it as much as other Walmarts I could go to, but I'm so glad that I went there. This is just the find of a century. And I have nowhere to put these orchids, but I'm gonna figure it out, of course. So let's put together this really quickly. This is really pretty. I was thinking of putting my Cellulum in here, but it comes with a clear insert, so you can use this as a cash coat. When I water, I know I'm not taking my plant out. I'm just gonna water it in here. So that's very useful. These bamboos are made of plastic, so I don't think that they should wear, because if you have bamboo rods, you know that they wear out pretty quickly. So no need to worry about that. So far so good. Here are the legs. They are definitely, well, not definitely, I'm not like a carpenter or wood knowledgeable in any way, but they feel like unfinished wood, like they're kind of rough to the touch. But these are definitely, like, they're shaped nicely. They don't look like completely cheap whatever that wood is, you know, it's like super cheap. I feel like I could break it in half, but that might just be me overestimating my strength. I guess here are the directions. It's kind of self-explanatory in my opinion, but I'm gonna attach the little pegs. It's just a screw in. I guess this is cool too. If you don't even want your plant to be on the stand, you can just literally take off these little legs and just have your cute little pot sitting around. So this is very versatile. Well, in two ways it's versatile. So here's how it looks. I love it. I feel like these are so expensive if you want to buy them somewhere else. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Let's go put a plant in it. You guys, look how good this looks. The plant fit perfectly. It fits so perfectly. This is just the combo that we needed. Wow. It really elevates the celloam, huh? That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!